Imagine yourself in this 2012 Mazda 6. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, steering wheel radio controls, MP3 player, trip odometer, tachometer, air conditioning, tilt steering wheel and cruise control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.